여러분 안녕하세요. 프리웨이 에듀케이션 에미니쌤입니다. 오늘은 오랜만에 학교 담당자분을 모시고 짧은 인터뷰를 하려고 하는데요. 저희 대표 파트너 학교인 카플란 싱가포르에서 호주 머독대학교를 담당하고 계시는 담당자 켈리와 함께 이야기를 나눠보도록 하겠습니다. 오늘 영상에서는 호주 머독대학교 그리고 프로그램에 대한 소개와 함께 카플란 싱가포르에서 호주 머독대학교 프로그램을 수강하게 됐을 때의 장점, 그리고 마지막에 추천 전공까지 함께 알아보겠는데요. 그럼 인터뷰 지금부터 시작하겠습니다. Can you introduce yourself and also Murdoch University?
Sure. My name is Kelly and I'm from Murdoch University in Singapore. Murdoch University is actually a university from Western Australia, Perth. It is actually one of the biggest Western Australian universities. It's established since 1975 and Murdoch University is actually not just in Perth, it is also in Singapore, in Dubai, as well as Malaysia. Wow, we offer a lot of programs in the Singapore campus. There are various disciplines from business to IT, psychology, criminology, communication. So there are a lot of different majors that we offer in Murdoch in Singapore. In fact, there are more than probably 250 double major options that students can choose to study and complete in the whole of Murdoch University in Singapore. We offer both bachelor's as well as masters. And even for masters, we also have a double masters where students can even do, say, an MBA and a Master of Communication together. So they get a double masters. So the good thing and the biggest advantage I think for Murdoch University is you get double the skill set and then you get double the advantage as well. Okay, I think the biggest difference in the Singapore campus is that we operate on a three terms mode. That means in 1 year we have 3 trimesters. Okay, so this means that students will be able to finish their program, the same program, faster in Murdoch University in Singapore. Okay, in Murdoch Perth, they operate on a semester mode, which is 2 terms in a year. So that I think will be our biggest advantage. For a typical student, for example, if they come from high school, okay, of course they will join us in Murdoch University in Singapore. In Singapore, we partner with Kaplan. Okay, so we partner with Kaplan to have our campus set up. So for a Korean student coming from high school, they will start in Kaplan first for the first year. They call it the International Year 1, where they will then get a diploma. So after the International Year 1, they will join Murdoch University in Year 2 and Year 3. So this Year 2 and Year 3, they can complete as quick as 16 months. Yeah, but in Australia, they will probably take at least 2 years, 24 months to complete the same program.
And also maybe they need to start from foundation.
Very likely they will need to start from at least the year 1, which is a full 12 months. But through the Kaplan partnership that we have in Singapore, they only need to do 8 months of the International Year 1, and then they can proceed on to minimum 16 months. So the total duration for a high school student coming from Korea is probably minimum 24 months, 2 years to complete the whole bachelor's degree.
How about the master's program?
Master is also very attractive because of the trimester mode that we operate in Singapore. Students can actually do a MBA program in just 12 months. Yeah, and earlier on I mentioned about the double master's program. So each program, if you do it individually, it could be 1 year or another one is 18 months. But if you combine both masters to do together, you can get 2 master's degree in as short as 20 months. So there's a lot of advantage in doing a double master's degree as well. I think a lot of the reason is because they recognize Murdoch University. We have been in Singapore for the last 20 years. Okay, Murdoch University is a very young university. Okay, we are only going to reach 50 years next year. Okay, but we have been in Singapore for around 21 years. So I think our reputation and our name resonates a lot with the Singapore students. So that's why majority of the students that we have in Murdoch University in Singapore are Singaporeans. In fact, around the world, we have around 90,000 alumni, and out of this, there are 20,000 in Singapore. So you can see the popularity of Murdoch University amongst Singaporean students. Yes, I will surely like to recommend our IT majors. Okay, a lot of the reason is because of the way now IT is relevant and required in all of our lives. So this definitely will help the student in terms of a career in future, in finding jobs, not just in Singapore, but probably anywhere around the world. So for us, we offer a wide range of the whole IT suite of programs, information technology, we have computer science, we have data analytics, business intelligence, we have cybersecurity, we have the artificial intelligence and autonomous system, which is very the trend now, right? Because everywhere now is using AI as well. So these are the whole suite of IT programs that we offer in Murdoch University in Singapore, which I highly recommend that students will be able to study with us.
I want to ask one more question. Is it okay?
Of course. Yes. Well, while we can never guarantee job placements for the students, okay, what Murdoch University does is we go out of the way to prepare students to make sure that they are career ready. We are the one of the first actually private institution. We are considered private because in Singapore we work with Kaplan, although we are a government university. Okay, but we are one of the very first to set up an entrepreneurship and graduate development center in Singapore within Kaplan. So it helps in our student employability. So every month there will be activities where we encourage the students to network with professionals from industries, from our former alumni, so that they can find jobs eventually. That's the main objective, easily when they graduate from the program.
Every month.
Yes, every month there will be activities. That's correct.
So good. Yeah, alright. 카플란 싱가포르에서는 많은 대학교 프로그램을 제공을 하고 있는데요. 특히 호주 머독대학교 프로그램은 방금 말씀드린 것과 같이 가장 많은 싱가포르 로컬 학생들이 재학하고 있고 또 가장 많은 전공을 제공하는 대학교입니다. 또한 모든 전공에 복수 전공을 진행할 수 있다는 점도 머독대학교의 큰 장점인데요. 또 싱가포르 캠퍼스에서는 머독 재학생들과 졸업생들을 위한 머독 엣지라는 공간을 운영할 정도로 머독 학생들만을 위한 그런 장점들이 정말 많이 있습니다. 그래서 특히 싱가포르에서 학업한 다음에 이제 현지 취업을 생각하는 학생들에게도 좀 더 많은 혜택이 있다고 생각하시면 될 것 같고요. 그렇기 때문에 학업 후에 취업을 생각하는 친구들에게도 굉장히 추천해 드리는 프로그램입니다. 카플란 싱가포르랑 호주 머독대학교 프로그램 자세한 내용을 확인하고 싶으시다면 프리웨이 에듀케이션을 통해서 확인하실 수 있고요. 저희는 여러분들이 국내에 어디에 계시든지 완벽한 무료 유학 서비스를 지원해드리고 있습니다. 추가로 제가 내일 곧 호주로 떠나서 머독대학교를 직접 방문할 예정인데요. 여러분들에게 생생한 사진과 영상을 많이 담아서 전달해드리도록 하겠습니다. 감사합니다. Thank you.
very much.
감사합니다.